here with BrianHorvath.com, where I help people like you and like me to know, live, and love the purpose for their career in finances. And one of those great career tools that we have to help us advance our career, to help us network, help us to make the right connections is LinkedIn. And what I aim to do here is to help you understand and navigate to and fix these little banners, if you will, these little badges or frames on your LinkedIn public profile photo. And so recently I got a question from a gentleman watching one of my videos on YouTube, and he was trying to figure out how to undo or remove the hashtag hiring frame from his profile photo. So I want to show you how to do both of those all in one. And here I am logged into LinkedIn. A couple ways we can go to our kind of our own profile and our own settings is click over here on the left hand side, either your picture or your name or whatever, or you can click on this me and click to view profile. So I'll go ahead and do that. What I'm trying to do is remove or even add certain badges or certain frames to my profile URL that helps highlight where I'm at, what my status is. And if I click my profile picture here, you can see I can edit, I can add a photo, a different photo, I can add frames. I'm going to click on frames here, and you can see I have three options based on things that are toggled or turned on within my profile. My original photo as it is right now, I have open to work, and then I have hiring. And I'm open to work because I'm open to serving clients. I may be hiring because I'm looking for a social media coordinator or whatever for a course launch I have coming up called the Ultimate LinkedIn Profile. Let's go ahead and click on the hiring to add that in. And you can see here it tells me frame visible to all LinkedIn members. I'm going to click apply. And you can see here I can add this job post and photo frame to my profile. I'm going to go ahead and click add to my profile so it takes root and actually modifies what would be seen publicly. Okay, so you can see here on my profile that I have the hiring hashtag photo frame in purple there. I want to remove that. So how would I do that? Well, just kind of like I show you how I added it, I'm going to go back here and click frame and click original, hit apply, and say, yes, I want to remove the frame and the jobs I have showcased on profile. Remove. There we go. Okay, there we go. So that is how you do that there. If I want to go back in and add it back in, I would just click frames, click hiring, and go through the whole rigmarole again. In this case, if I maybe want to add in open to work or to remove open to work, I would do the same here as well and click apply. And here's what my profile has marked that would even allow that open to work be available to me, okay, and through my job preferences. Job titles, workplaces, job locations, all those, so on and so forth, has been selected within my profile. Then I can also click on, I want all LinkedIn members to see it or recruiters only. If I click recruiters only, it allows only, again, recruiters that have profile access through the recruiter level in LinkedIn to see that I'm open to work. I also have open to work down here, services I have down here, and then share that I'm hiring down here, all those kinds of things, okay? So you can see here, I'm clicking around just to show you roles that I have available, jobs that I have available. So even when I click off the the hiring profile badge on my picture, it does not delete the job I posted. It just doesn't show that as being a frame or a badge on my public profile URL. So I hope this all helps. If you have any questions, you can email me at brian@brianhorvath.com. Love to help out, or just comment within this YouTube video. Have a super fantastic day, and know, live, and love the purpose for your career and finances.